Alright, hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today is going to be a walkthrough for Dollar Tree. I don't know why I didn't have an intro filmed, so I'm filming this like a day after I go walk through the Dollar Tree. I literally don't know what happened, but I wanted to get this up also before Easter because I did pick out a ton of holiday stuff. This is such a bad angle. I look really gross today, so I'm gonna be fast. I just wanted to have an intro, say hello, get the video started. It's gonna be a walkthrough at Dollar Tree. It's a shorter one today. Hope you enjoy. Let's get on into the vloggy walkthrough of Dollar Tree. Show all these. Where are you? These are the ones that I like. These are the ones that I like. But I don't know what I would write on them. But they're nice because they're plain. Right? Ooh. Oh, look. I was looking through these. Do you see them? I was looking through all of the baskets because a lot of them are like kind of plainish. So you can use them for different stuff. But I'm usually on a budget now when I shop here. These are really cute. Oh, this is heavy. These ones are nice, babe. What?
Nothing.
Show this one because I don't want to get this one, but this one's really cute. Right? We don't need that one. But this one, which one's better? Oh, they say something different. Nah. Maybe I don't like these ones as much. Since I'm on a budget, I'm not gonna get this one either. But I'm gonna get these ones. Sound good? Wow, here's me picking through stuff. Oh, this one's cute. But why is it upside down? This one's upside down. This stuff is really good. It's literally upside down. Okay, these ones I have to get only because last spring I couldn't find all the ones that I wanted. Okay, are you listening to me? I'm checking to you. And I was really sad about it. Okay. These ones are cute. So are these. Do you see this? Do you see what it says? Thoughts?
I'll get that for Snoop Dogg for Easter.
Fire thing. You want one?
Yeah. Yeah, grab me one.
One?
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab one for my mom dry. I usually pick up like a ton of these little things. These are good because these are 3-packs. 3 packs of these. And I usually pick up this stuff too. How many come in a pack? I think, 3 packs. These might be 3 packs. These are good. These are really big. Bag, 8 pounds of dirt. Or that one, small.
For $1, that's actually a really good deal.
Alright, let's just walk down this side. Oh, these are kind of cute if I like gnomes. They're metal. But I don't want into gnomes. Alright. Oh! For $1. What are these ones? I just like that they're in the airheads. What is this? Wait, there's only one bar in here. There's one airhead in here. Is that a joke?
Paying for the metal.
What are these? What? Fruit flavored Chewy candy watermelon Tootsie Rolls. I've never seen that before. I don't really want to try it because I feel like it's really nasty. Oh, but these ones are good. These things are good. I got a ton of those last year. These are good. Here's all the cookies. Ew, that's from Christmas. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, these are nice. I don't like any of these. These ones are okay. They look like I don't know what the plant is called. These are the only ones I like. Oh, these ones I have already. I have a lot of these already. No. Oh, the little eggs are cute. Why is it so large? Banana. Chocolate. What are those?
I do not know.
What brand is that? You can't do it that way. I don't know why I walked down this aisle. I didn't even...
Well, when you're editing the video, I moved my hand to see if it sounds better after you see my finger go like this in front of the camera.
What do you mean?
Because I was holding it like this, but now I'm holding it like with my other hand.
Those are interesting. Oh wow, these are new. Farmhousey, huh? And this one. Don't let me forget, I needed containers once we get to that aisle. What are these? Cemetery vase.
For the funeral?
Yeah.
Or the
That's kind of interesting.
the plot.
For your yard.
Yeah.
Anything new over here?
I am not sure.
Ooh. I've seen these ones before, like this size. Didn't we just put my jewelry in some like this?
Mm-hmm. Exact same one, but a mini one.
Craft storage box.
My hands are getting hard.
Is it weird that I like these containers these are in? Oh.
I thought it was too. I thought you would like that.
It's good for your planner. Are you getting really close to my face?
No.
Ooh, for the fridge. Magnetic clip. It's really hefty.
I'll take that.
You want?
Yep.
Here's mini ones.
Let's get the mini ones too.
Oh, I don't like the color, but you want
I don't care. I want them. So I can hang
dry
my,
erase clips.
so I can hang my my bills up.
Oh wow. Have they always had this here?
Oh yes.
Oh. Okay, I'm looking down here. Oh. I thought there was a... Nani. But I kind of want that, but not today. I don't need. Lip brush. What are these? Hard candy. Oh, I was looking to find these. I didn't think I was gonna find these. It's boba. You're not excited for me?
Yes.
Oh, you can show these. Wow, I remember when these first came out and I had like all of these. BB cream. Wow, I'm missing a lot. Clay medium. And this, oh wow. Wow, and that's a huge thing. I'll have to get one of these actually. What color is this? I don't know what color. Oh, what's that brand?
Taking a break, Mom. You cannot work me like a slave.
Oh, yes, I can. They have a lot of makeup.
Yeah, like I squeezed it in there and I compacted.
If you could help me,
Yeah,
too,
just
please,
keep it
sir.
smashed.
I need 2 of these, but the lids are all stuck together. I need 2 lids.
I'm paid to be the camera guy,
You're
ma'am.
right. Okay, you're correct. Let me do this then.
Not the Soto. Not the editor.
I'm trying to go fast.
Just the camera guy. I have one other objective, and that is to catch my chick.
These are not white.
They look like they've been out into the sun for too long. Maybe stop in the lotion aisle afterwards and lotion.
Oh, it's supposed to
them
be a
up.
set of 2, but this one's not.
Uh-oh. You almost paid the price for half off.
Yeah. So I'm trying to separate it. Okay. Do you see?
How do you know they're set of 2?
Because look, they're stuck together, and there's only a paper inside of one.
Good day, mate.
They're together. Yeah, a little white. Okay, let me just look really, really fast, see if I can find the white one. So that's it for the walkthrough at Dollar Tree. I do have an actual haul of everything that I picked up as well. It's going to be from a few different days at a few different stores, but that should be coming next for you guys so you can see everything that I actually picked out. I just love doing these walkthroughs with you guys to show you everything that's there. Like I said, and like I'll probably say a million more times, I'm on a budget, especially when I go to Dollar Tree lately, because otherwise I spend all my monies there. It's not good. So I like showing you guys the stuff that I like, but not necessarily want to pick up and give you guys my thoughts on what's there. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys had seen any of these items or picked them up already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my walkthrough shopping vlog videos, and I will get those out to you guys. But muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.